what's up, guys? Probably Pixel. We have the box of the Panasonic Lumix S5 Mark II. So we got here some accessories like this is a tempered glass screen protector for us from that Pro. I'll link it up where you get this one. It's easy install. We got the batteries. Here's from a Wasabi. So let's open this up. Let's grab batteries that are gonna be. So Panasonic with this camera, they only did Type C. You gotta charge it via the cable. You cannot buy an additional battery. They don't come with a battery holder. This one does come with two, and this is the one I would recommend. So let's grab it. So WhatsApp Pro. Okay, here are your batteries. So let's get these out. They're kind of girthy. So it is a big chunky battery. Okay, second battery is gonna be in here. Let me grab here. Battery number 2 is right here. Let's grab this out. Okay. Here it is. Charger, and you do get here accessibility to 2 ports, so it's micro and C. Okay, I've dropped something. I'll grab that. Here is your Type C to Type A, but if you have like an iPhone charger, you could do Type C to C using appropriate chargers. Right in here is the Lexar Pro. This is the V. This is the UH2 by 12. This is the Silver Pro one. So it works with this camera. Everything's on there. It's a good Lexar product. Let's get the camera out. Forget about the accessories right now, guys. We'll come back to that later on. I'll probably do like a video haul of the accessories I bought for this camera, because I bought I'm buying more. I do have microphones for this camera already, so I already have a lot of DJI. We're filming this, guys, on the DJI Osmo, the new pocket one that came out. Let's see how the content goes with this one, cause let's see how this thing rolls. So let's go grab the Panasonic Lumix. So this one has you can connect an SSD to it. It's pretty cool, the packaging. So here is your instruction guide. Put that to the side. You could read that later. Okay, here's some important notice from Panasonic. I'm usually a Canon guy, but this time around I went with Panasonic, thanks to a family member who recommended we look at the Panasonic line. So grab this out from the get-go. So in here, I think, if I'm mistaken, is your lens. Yes. Let me grab the lens out of this. Here is I'm not sure what this is. Take a look at that. Let's grab my lens here. This is the base kit one. So this is the 20 to 60 millimeter lens. So here it is. Lens. It has its own autofocus right there, and it says Lumix on it. So we'll put this to the side. We're not gonna need this right now, but later on we're gonna come use it. Let's grab other stuff in here. I have the camera right here. We'll look at that in a little bit. We'll look at the accessories first. Then we'll look at the camera. The camera could be at the very end. So let's grab those accessories. So here's the charger. Actually, this is Type A. Panasonic. Why don't you go Type C to C? I do have C cables. This is a good cam holder to connect to a webcam. So there you go. Here it is. So this is A to C connectivity and your original Panasonic batteries. I do have the batteries I got. So there you go. I think this is the cover to make this like that. So let's grab the camera. I kind of like all this packaging. They provide a good experience as me as a user. Okay, here we go. Panasonic Lumix. So Lumix branding, a lot of airports here. So two SD cards, up to 512. Your battery goes in here. Right in here is a lot of ports here. You're gonna probably get here. This is a microphone port. So you can connect microphone or headphones. Here is an HDMI port. I think this is full-size HDMI. I think with the Canon, see if you don't get a full-size HDMI, it's like probably the micro or the mini. And you get Type-C. Good. Your viewer eyes here. Tactical buttons. And that's that. Since you're here, guys, I'm gonna show you guys here how this all works. So we're gonna do step by step in the next video, guys. Next video, I'm gonna take this out, test it out, guys, and give it my full thoughts, guys. This is a new box of the Panasonic Lumix X5 Mark II, guys. There's gonna be new videos coming soon. New videos, new upgrades, and we're gonna get this all started, guys. Please rate, comment, subscribe, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one, guys. Follow me with all my Instagram, social media pages, and guys, have a great day, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one, guys. Bye bye, guys. Peace out. Let me know below if you like the videos filmed on the DJI Osmo Pocket, the brand new one. See how the quality is. If you like it, we'll continue filming on this. Quick unboxings. We don't have to zoom in a lot because you don't need to zoom in too much on this. So yeah, see you guys in the next one, guys. Bye bye, guys. Peace out.